Hi, I'd just like to make a little statement about this year's ninth Taste of Love Tantra Festival. So sadly, the venue has increased the pricing for hire a lot. I don't know if you're aware of it, but it is very difficult finding a venue that's exclusive and sex positive and allows nudity. So we do love this venue so much. It is so stunning. It's a tantric venue, as in we're looking on Mount Wolumben, which is a masculine energy, and we're embraced by the caldera in this beautiful womb energy. So I hope you're going to make it this year to the Taste of Love Festival. The venue is amazing. It's also great if it rains. It's all beautifully and undercover and roofs and safe, also the food areas. And yeah, I hope you will come again and support us. Yes, the prices are a little bit more pricey because of the increase in rental costs, but the program is amazing. The people were amazing last year, and we always try our best to put up an amazing event. So I hope to see you there, and I just thought I'd make a little statement about the price increase for this year. And yeah, we're trying again next year to see what we can negotiate and where we can go. But we definitely didn't want to miss a Taste of Love Festival for 1 year. So tasteoflove.com.au. I hope to see you there. Yeah, lots of camping spots still available. And I think most of the rooms and dorms are booked out now.